Hi Rachel, my name is Yanni and these are my girls Suki and Ivy. I love crocheting hats for them and they love trying the foods that match. The girls are both senior rescued staffing mixes. I started crocheting in 2018 because we had a harsh winter and we kept losing power for days at a time and I needed something to occupy my hands. After learning the basics of crochet, I started making the girls some animal snoods. I didn't intend for crochet to become such a large part of my life or my identity. It started off as a very casual hobby, but it definitely has been a very fun journey. I don't think anyone grows up with the dream of being the crochet dog lady. My crocheting journey took a strange turn about 2 years ago when I made the girls carrot hats for Easter. This jump-started my series of pairing dog-safe foods with crocheted hats. The following hats I made were the broccoli, and that's the first time we went viral. Over the last 2 years, I have made the girls countless food-themed hats. Some of my personal favorite hats that I have made for the girls include Frankenstein's monster for Ivy, love the sunflowers, and the Easter bunnies. I think both of those are beautiful, and I think the girls wear them so well. All of our content is made possible because Suki and Ivy absolutely love filming. If they didn't love filming, we wouldn't do this. They get fired up as soon as I start setting up for our next video, and it's a fun activity for all three of us. The girls are both seniors. They'll be 10 and 12 next month, so these sit-down videos are a great source of mental stimulation without the physical exertion. We're so excited to show you how to crochet a Rachel-inspired dog hat. The first thing we're going to do is make a magic ring. The next part we're going to make is our spaghetti strands, and these are just foundation cords. 4 clumps of spaghetti. The sauce follows the exact same pattern as the base. We're going to do a small pattern to give ourselves a wavy edge. The beginning of the meatball follows the same exact pattern as the base and our sauce. And now we kind of have our meatball shape. And we're going to stuff each of them with a little bit of polyester stuffing. Now we've finished all our parts of our hat, and so we're going to start our assembly. So we're going to use a tapestry needle, attach them through the base. So we're going to take that center tail from our sauce and put it through the center of our base. And the last thing we have to do in terms of sewing is attach our meatballs. So here are our completed hats. You can go ahead and customize these in any way you'd like. Thank you so much, Rachel, for allowing us to share a little bit about ourselves and to show you some of our crochet dog hats. Bye!